welcome to Limitless Learning Series. We have here with us Nidhi ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Nidhi ma'am, very important questions which each and every parent they look into it and they want to know that what different kind of features of safety and security they should look into preschool while selecting it for their child.
Okay, thank you for the question, ma'am. So yeah, safety and security should be the topmost priority when you are looking out for a preschool for your child. It should come even before academics. So when you're selecting a child's preschool, the first thing you should look is how safe is the campus. When I say safety of the campus, you should ensure that CCTV cameras should be placed all over the campus. So in every nook and corner there has to be a camera. Secondly, coming to furnitures, you should check that all the furniture should be child friendly. A child should not get hurt while using the furnitures. When I say furnitures, it should not include only the tables and chairs. You should also look out for the doors and windows. It should have those corners wherein the children should not put their hands. So look for each and every nook and corner of the school. Coming to staff, you should also ensure that whichever staff the school is having, they should be all verified, they should be all trained, and the child should be having, they should be feeling comfortable with the staff, whether it's a teacher, whether it's a nanny. The staff has to be welcoming. She should be passionate, about handling children. Now coming to ratio, the school should have a healthy child and teacher ratio. That's a very important factor because it should not be like one teacher is handling 30-40 children. Yes, then it becomes
at
too
this
much.
particular age.
Yes. It becomes too much on the staff also, and then in the end she turns,
that
frustration comes out, and eventually that shows on the child. So that leaves a negative impact. So check for all these features. Now coming down to health and hygiene also, you should check that the entire campus should be sanitized thoroughly. The washroom should always be dry, they should be clean, and it should be child friendly. Even the commodes and all with the child preschool is having, it should all be child friendly.
If it's not, at least they should use that coffee seats and all.
Then every classroom should have a first aid kit, but that has to be ensured that it should be kept out of the reach of the children, but that is always accessible to the teachers and the nannies of that classroom. Okay. So in short, if I say that looking out for safety features, whenever you enter a preschool, you should find the school to be warm, welcoming, structured, and it should give you positive vibes. If you find that these features are present in any preschool, definitely go out and put your child in that school.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Nidhi ma'am. And dear parent, whenever you are going to select particular preschool, we would suggest that go and visit that preschool when their working hours are on.
Correct.
So it helps. You can go for inquiry or whenever you have time, but then you should see there when school is running. So it will give you good idea about it. And thank you so much. Keep learning, keep watching.
Thank you.